Welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain to you how you will not get manipulated ever again, what you can do that it won't happen ever again, and why it was not working out that you manifest what you wanted, that you were manifesting what you wanted. Okay? So to understand that, you need to understand what a pendulum is. A pendulum is created by the energy of when people think in the same way. Okay, it's like an energy field that is created whenever people think in the same way. So whenever you see two people, okay, an energy field is very often created and they start to behave in the same way. And they are destructive pendulums. What is a destructive pendulum? This is just a pendulum that forces their goals into you. Goals that has nothing to do with you, a destructive pendulum will force their goals into us. Okay, for example, a lot of 9-to-5 jobs are built like that. Okay, or for example, the feminism tries to manipulate people by forcing their goals, their agenda into people. Or the porn industry. There are tons of examples. The destructive pendulums, they are nearly everywhere. So a pendulum that is not destructive won't force their goals into you or won't try to control you. This is basically the difference. Now, some people maybe think maybe it's possible to live in a world where we don't have pendulums at all that influence us. In this case, you would have to live like a monk. This is like the only option, that if you live like a monk, you can escape all pendulums. So there will still be pendulums in your life, but it's better to use the energy of pendulums that are aligned with you, that are just aligned with your true goals. So why don't achieve your goals? It's very simple. Or how do you get manipulated? It's very simple. Whenever your life doesn't work out in the way how you want, how you truly want, it's because you were influenced already by a pendulum. Okay? When you were probably younger or at some stage, or maybe right now, you are influenced by a pendulum. And how does a pendulum actually influence us and takes energy from us? It's very simple. If we think about it, for example, let's talk about the news, for example. If we think about the news are very negative. We think about them. If we complain about them, then we send energy towards them, and we lose this energy. And in our own subconscious, we let the new news industry grow bigger. Okay, and by that it has more power over us. So whenever, for example, a pendulum tries to challenge you, for example, the people that are just brainwashed and want to be slaves in their life and don't want to improve their life and be positive and grow, whenever you start not to argue with them, you give them energy, because they are not really acting like that because of them. They are in reality controlled by a pendulum. And it's an energy field, like I said, where people think in the same way. As a result, they start to behave in the same way. Okay, so for example, it's like with people who eat fast food. You know, people from the fast food industry. They're all controlled by the same pendulum, and it has usually you can't win against a pendulum, especially not if it's big. A pendulum only disappears if people start to believe in that. You know, if they don't give a thought energy. But when a pendulum has already millions of followers, the only thing, the best option from my perspective that you can do is to just stop giving it energy. And what else can you do except stop giving it attention? Because attention is energy. It's very simple. If you notice you have like these ideas and they're not really coming from you, learn to detach yourself from these things. Learn to observe your thoughts, your reactions, you know. Learn to detach yourself, to decrease your attachment towards that thing. Because maybe you were implanted with ideas from society that were not meant for you. And the more you try to think that's the right thing, that's the thing your mind tries to hold into that, the more you send energy to that, and it grows stronger again. If you, on the other side, become aware of that and just become conscious, you stop giving attention to that. You neutralize that. And after that, you can give attention to your goals or to what you want. Okay? And the pendulums, they make seem the world very complicated very often. The world seems very complicated, but in reality, it's just because these pendulums try to confuse us, to take our energy. Okay? And the human who follow these pendulums, they are just victims. They are just victims because they start to behave automatically in the same way. Okay? In the same destructive way, because in this way I mean this especially destructive pendulums who try to control you. Like the feminism, the fast food industry, there are tons of examples, right? And yeah, like I said, just stop giving it energy and give your energy to something else, what you truly want. Listen to your heart and detach yourself, detach yourself. Learn to become conscious of all of that. And just realize the more you try to defend that pendulum, the more energy you give to that. And that means you lose energy. Okay? So this is the reason why a lot of people don't achieve their goals. Because when we were maybe younger, or maybe even right now, pendulums did implant in us goals that were not ours. Okay? And whenever we now try to think about that, whenever we are confronted with that, we try automatically to defend that because we are still attached to that. And this is the reason why we don't achieve our goals, right? So it's important to detach and refocus from that and to just realize it's not about the humans. It's just about this energy field. When you send when you when you send your energy to a negative pendulum, you get on the same level as this pendulum. So your energy gets on the same level. Like if this pendulum is very negative and toxic, you get in this moment toxic as well by thinking all the time about that. Especially if your intention is really bad in this moment very often because the pendulum catched you. Maybe you feel aggressive right now, and now you are on this aggressive level and you feed this pendulum. Okay, so what you can do is just ignore it, right? Don't focus on that, just ignore it. Also, don't try to avoid it hardcore, because if you do it of the intention of avoidance, you will attract even more of that. What we try to avoid, we attract. So don't do it out of the intention of avoidance. Just realize its existence like an observer, and keep walking further. Just realize its existence and just keep walking your way. And that's it. Okay, I hope this video helped you. Comment below what you learned from this video. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.